These 5 AI tools will replace your jobs. Crisp.ai. It removes background voice and noise cancellation from all your online calls. Blackmagicdesign.com. You will get the best video editing software called DaVinci Resolve 18, completely for free. Palette.fm. This tool colorizes black and white photos in seconds. No sign-up required. Rifffusion.com. Generate music from text. Pretty awesome if you're a producer creating custom beats. Fun to play around with. Easier to use than Boomy. Dubdub.com. This AI voice generator converts text to speech online, and it provides ultra-realistic AI voiceovers, which includes 400 plus stock high-quality voiceovers in 20 plus languages, 40 plus accents. By the way, my voice is also generated using this AI tool.
Divine. En mijn werk.